Welcome to Websites for Beginners. In this 5 minutes overview video, we are going to look at Suki WordPress theme, have a look at what you get when you use the free edition compared to the add-ons you will get if you go for Suki Pro. Suki WordPress themes comes in two flavors, free and pro, and claims to be lightweight and flexible. It's one of the new kids on the block in a market of literally thousands of WordPress themes to choose from, but has already established itself as a popular theme with a strong following. Don't underestimate the free version. Whereas many other themes on the market cripple the free version to ensure users upgrade to the pro version, Suki's free version truly gives you more bang for your buck. Well, technically, there is no buck as it's free. The free version feels like a pro theme containing features that other developers would charge a premium for. One of the standout features in the free version is the header and footer builder, giving you a tailor-made experience to quickly and easily build out your own custom header and footer for your site. Suki Free is also highly customizable with total control over your font's size, weight, style, height, and spacing. No limitations, not even on colors. From backgrounds, headers, footers to text, color can be changed for all. The theme comes with a demo sites installer that provides you with ready-made sites you can install with a one-click importer. Simply install the plugin from the Suki dashboard within WordPress, choose your page builder, choose your template, and voila! What truly counts in Suki's favor is the development, both under the hood and on the front end. The customizer is well organized and logically categorized. The dashboard is slick, a clean and intuitive interface, removing the clutter often found in other WordPress themes. Simply toggle features on or off as you use them and browse the demo sites. So yes, Suki is fast. The lightweight claim isn't just big talk, and upon installation, very noticeable both for using it and on loading times. Let's look at Pro then. For the extra premium add-on, you get the traditional additional modules like transparent and sticky headers with premium pre-made demo sites. Even in its infancy, Suki already sports a mega menu, a preloader screen, and the ability to upload your custom fonts and icons. The Pro version also has white label capabilities for those interested in rebranding the theme for their clients. The strength of Pro comes in the e-commerce domain, with extensive integration of WooCommerce with Pro features such as layouts, quick views, Ajax add to cart, off-canvas filters, and checkout optimization. There is really no need to look any further than Suki Pro if you have to set up an e-commerce site with WooCommerce. As with every product we feature here at Websites for Beginners, we care a lot about customer support and interaction. Suki excels here, and you will find them quick to respond and very active in replying to users' comments and queries on the Facebook forum. Not only does the Suki team resolve customer questions quickly, they actually are open for suggestions and have added countless features to the theme based on customer recommendations, even from us. It's easy to see why this is such a popular theme and why users quickly fall in love with Suki. To sum up, Suki is a WordPress theme that packs a punch. It's lightweight with negligible impact on website performance. This makes Suki a serious contender in the modern era of SEO and speed. The free version gives you more than you could bargain for, and the Pro version brings with it superb Pro add-on features. It works perfectly with the WordPress editor, page builders, and even include demo sites ready to install for both the free and Pro editions. Check out Suki today, links in the description below.